What's going on, everybody? Is Marsellis back with another live stream. So we are going to do another live trading session. So this is going to be huge. We're going to do this every single day. Like I said, I'm not going to miss a day here. So hold me on that. Yeah, we're going to do this every day. Yesterday, we made so much money. We went from 441 all the way up to 701. And I actually have it written down here inside of my little journal there. I wrote 442. I meant to put 441. Anyways, I have started trading earlier today, and I made some money earlier today, but I wanted to make sure the rest of it will be live. But shout out to everybody here that shows up to this. This is actually the morning time, so it's going to be a while. Shout out to Mahit over here. But yeah, it's the morning time, so it might be a while before we get some more people in here. But it doesn't matter. I did just now have that mic not even up here, so you probably didn't hear a thing I said. But yeah, we got a lot of stuff to discuss today. But shout out to everybody that showed up here to the chat. Like I was saying earlier before I made that stupid mistake. I'm getting back into live streaming here. So yesterday we did very good. We did very good with our trading yesterday. Went from 441 all the way up to $701. So we made $260 yesterday. Started today with $701. Started trading earlier today, $139. Started trading at 8 a.m. But I'm in the middle of trading and creating a video and creating this live stream and setting everything up. So it took a while. But since we don't got many people in here at all, we're going to go ahead and start trading and wait for some people to join in. So it's going to be a nice live stream. People will come in as they come in. So yeah, let's go ahead and make some trades here. So just going to go ahead and wait for some opportunities here. Sometimes it takes a little bit for opportunities, but it is what it is. So we'll just go ahead and wait for some more opportunities here. So yeah, let's wait for these opportunities to come in. Currently we are at 54.64. All right, we're trading XRP right now, by the way. XRP. All right. So now, since we are doing XRP, shout out to everyone that just showed up. We're going to be doing a lot. Yesterday we went from $441 to $701. That's $260 yesterday. Been trading since this morning, 8 a.m. at 7:39 right now. We have not lost on any of these trades so far, so that's also good. And also now we finally have the Patreon open. The Patreon is now open, so that is something I've been working on a lot recently. And now I just have to work on getting more content on that Patreon. And then we're also going to have the live trading sessions on the Discord servers for Patreon. And I actually already have that set up. So here is the link for that Patreon that we're going to be doing. Hey, we got Shubham here. Shout out to you. Good morning from India. Actually, good evening. Hey, shout out to you. And yeah, we definitely need to work together with these to get these live streams broken down into some clips. So big shout out to you from India. I definitely want to visit India for my travel channel. So hey, maybe we can meet out there and you can help me with filming some videos when I do make my trip to India for the travel channel. That would be amazing. So yeah, shout out to you with that. Also, we got Chart Prime out here for the trading indicators. Here is Chart Prime. And then we also have the Mexi Global Link. So yeah, we now have that Patreon. That's going to be really nice once we get some people up in there. We're going to be doing live trading sessions every day on the Patreon. But for now, we'll start here on YouTube. Get some people into that Patreon. So yeah, currently though, XRP is doing some interesting movements. Look at this. That's insane. That's a lot of money to be made right there. It's so funny. I think this channel is so underrated right now, but we're gonna get a lot of people that join in on this channel once they see how much money we're making. But yeah, we're underrated right here. Very, very underrated right now, but people will notice sooner or later once this turns into $1 million that these trading strategies are very, very good trading strategies. But yeah, it was kind of crazy how XRP just randomly just pumped all the way up there. But yeah, we got a lot to talk about from Baby Doge and everything. So Shabam says, sorry, I have less knowledge about these niche, but for the travel niche, I have a lot of ideas. Hey, that's good as well because I have the travel channel that I have a lot of videos actually that need to be edited. It's actually around I would say it's around 40, no, not 40. It's around 14 or 20 videos that I need edited right now. And I really wish I would have opened that short. I was actually about to open the short as it went all the way up there. Like I was talking and wasn't paying attention. I'm not gonna lie right here. Like that would have since I'm doing 20x leverage, $739 currently. I think that would have been like $200 to $300 if I would have shorted that right there. But I was like, ah. But yeah, anyways, it's gonna be good. We're gonna make a lot more money today. That was just one missed opportunity. Shout out to Aiden says what I miss. Not much. So we just now started. I mentioned how yesterday we started at $441 and ended the day yesterday at $701. Exactly. I actually wrote it all down too. And that is $260. And that was what we made yesterday. Today the goal is to get up to $1,000 from $701. I was trading earlier and earlier I made $39. So earlier on in the morning, but like I was doing it while I was making videos and editing videos. So I was like not 100% focused. So I did 4 trades. One trade was $19 a profit. The other was $11 a profit. The other was $1 a profit. And the other was $6.10. And in general, I don't like to take trades that I know I will not win on. So you can see all these trades from yesterday going all the way back to the 14th. I've been winning on it, all of these trades. So I've really been consistent on these trades. And yeah, I'm going to make sure that I'm only doing, good trades that have a good win rate. Like right now, I'm about to open a long position. When we get to the bottom of this momentum wave band, we should get there soon. And then I'm going to open up a long position around 0.5420. Hopefully it gets to 0.5420 because if it doesn't, then I'm not going to open up a long position. But it looks like it's about to. So that's my trading strategy currently. Just kind of preparing for that purchase. So then when I actually make it, I'm actually ready to open that. Yeah, just waiting for it to go down. But yeah, shout out to everyone who showed up here. So Baby Doge is like the main thing that people want to hear about. But it's like I'm trying to show you all something that you can do to make a lot of money. So it's like it's hard to make live streams and make people actually be interested inside of watching them unless you're talking about Baby Doge, which is not gonna get you to $1 million within the matter of a month. And we've already really did the prediction on how we can get to $1 million, and it's actually fairly simple. And the trading strategies that I'm doing, I'm doing safe trading strategies. So the prediction that we did yesterday was what if we had 352% per day. Now the first live stream I did yesterday, I made 352% or 353% of profits. But I only did it with $1, turning it into like $4.50, like $1.30 going to like $4.53, right? And that was like 353% profit, right? But then I changed it up a bit. I'm like, all right, let's go ahead and show them real money. So I went ahead and put $441 into my trading account, turned that 441 to $701. But it didn't do exactly what I wanted it to. So if we do the math here, 701 divided by 441 brings us 1.58. So yeah, it goes into it 1.58 times. Yeah, but I really want to make a lot more money today. So I'm really, really trying to make a lot more. But that's just what we got going on right now. We're gonna have a lot more coming inside of the near future though. So yeah, 1 second. 701 divided by 2. That's 350. Okay. So we made 260 yesterday, so I can do 441 times point 0 or times point. I'm just looking at the percentages actually that we did yesterday. So give or take, we did 60% in gains for the other one. So 60% in gains. So with 60% in gains, I just wanted to show some math, but actually we're about to have a nice pump coming up soon. So we're just gonna go ahead and do this trade before we do that math. All right, so we're getting closer to our target price. Ah, it stopped right before it hit it. It's gonna go down a little bit more though. This is it's not confirmed yet, so I have to wait for that. Hold on one second. I'm gonna change something up here. I just want you guys to see how how strong the Baby Doge army is. So, all right, this is how strong the Baby Doge army is. So we're not getting many people in here because I didn't put Baby Doge as like the first. I didn't put Baby Doge as the first thing on the title. And I didn't mention Baby Doge inside the thumbnail. I probably should have put it. I did put the picture of Baby Doge in there. And we're gonna talk about Baby Doge today. Don't worry. But watch. Now I changed up the title to Baby Doge Army Prepare for Monday, and then I put the making $1 million trading crypto futures as the second part of the title. Watch as more people now start to come in with Baby Doge as the first thing in the title. Yeah. That's just how YouTube works. It's keywords, it's SEO, search engine optimization here inside of full effect. So that's exactly how it goes. Should have put Baby Doge inside the thumbnail, the actual word Baby Doge. That probably would have helped as well. But yeah, now we're gonna get some more people coming in just because of that one change inside of our title. I could change the thumbnail live, but I don't want to do that. But anyways, we're waiting for this trade to pan out, and I only want to make this trade with 100% certainty that we're going down to that momentum wave band. So that's pretty much why I'm waiting. If not, I'll wait for the next opportunity. But talking more about Baby Doge here. So Baby Doge has been doing some decent movements. We're up 0.8% in the last 24 hours for Baby Doge, which is fairly good. Shout out to the Baby Doge army. The volume has been pretty low though, $1 million inside of volume. And the reason why I say prepare for Monday is because we're actually about to get this chess game coming out on Monday. So the chess game is coming out on Monday. We got someone out in the chat that says Lovely Inu. Don't know anything about Lovely Inu, to be honest. So I'll be honest there. I don't know anything about Lovely Inu. But yeah, Baby Doge, we're really pushing to get Baby Doge up there. But yeah, just doing some trades. Let's see how it goes today. Let's see how it goes. Um, Maybe I started the live stream at too much of an early time. We're waiting for more people to come in here, but we'll see. I mean, Baby Doge is also making these Sunday tips, so this is pretty good what they're doing. They're actually listening to the community. I remember in a video I was like, we need to educate the Baby Doge army more on crypto. And actually, since I said that, they've been putting these Sunday tips out. Shout out to them. I don't know if they're watching the videos or not, but if they are, shout out to them. If not, still shout out to them. The fact that they actually are now educating the community on different crypto concepts is pretty nice. So this one says by leveraging decentralized oracles, smart contracts can securely interact with external data sources, enabling real world use cases. So that's pretty cool. And if we want to go ahead and see exactly what decentralized oracles are, we can go ahead and search Google for this. So decentralized oracles are right here. What are decentralized oracles? Decentralized oracles are trustless data channels that fetch information from multiple sources for the purpose of improving authenticity. So yeah, this is pretty interesting that they're actually teaching people on this. So I really do like that they're going through this. So yeah, definitely do your research when doing anything with crypto. It helps out a lot. But yeah, this is very good for us. All right, and then the next thing that we're going to go ahead and take and look at is this. So we're going to be getting the chess game here for Baby Doge. So yeah, chess game coming up on Monday, which is tomorrow. That's going to be on the test net. Is going to be live on the test net. So good news there as well. Just looking at XRP here, waiting for it to go all the way down to here. So then I can open up a long position here. And even looking, this is the 1M chart, looking at the 15-minute chart. Yeah, we're definitely primed for an increase in price here. It's only a matter of time. So there is a possibility that it can go all the way down to here before we get that long position benefit, but we still have the opportunity to make some money there. So we're gonna wait for that. And in the meantime, we're just gonna sit here and chill and watch these charts. So yeah, no stress here though. Just waiting for it to go. But yeah, Baby Doge chess game coming out on Monday. Wait, was it Monday? Yeah, Monday, which is tomorrow. So we're gonna get that chess game coming out tomorrow. So prepare for that, Baby Doge Army. Prepare for that. And then we got this uphold CEO explains why the XRP community continues to stand by uphold after the SEC ruling. So upholds loyalty to XRP, trust and transparency, 100% reserved and security. So the Uphold CEO is um, really pushing for XRP. And something else that's very interesting here with Baby Doge is the game. Like I was saying, like this is going to be huge. And we talked about this IO yesterday. Like this is huge. This is literally an insurance policy on Baby Doge Swap. So you can literally open up an insurance policy for Baby Doge Swap, and that's huge. That's something that's never been done in crypto. And InsureAce.io is literally the first to do this, and they're the leading multi-chain DeFi insurance cover. Make crypto safer. So yeah, I'm really impressed with what Insure is out here doing. And just to show my appreciation for them, I'm gonna put this inside of my watch list. Oh yeah, Insure DeFi. No, it's Insure Ace. So okay, there's Insure DeFi and there's Insure Ace. So we're looking at Insure Ace, not Insure DeFi. So yeah, we don't want to look at this one. We want to look at Insure Ace. And the thing that I'm liking here about Insure, oh yeah, I did actually add it to my. Did I? Yeah, I actually did add it. So the thing that I like here about Insure Ace is look at the low market cap. This is extremely low, $2.9 million, and it's groundbreaking technology. Like they're insuring different DeFi swaps. And the fact that they're doing this is groundbreaking. So there's nothing that's really doing it at this level that they're doing it. So the fact that they're insuring things like this is pretty big. Now you could get it on DeFi if you want to do that, or I don't know. There's different ways you can go ahead and get it. If you want to do it on a centralized exchange, you can go ahead and do that, or you can just get it on a DeFi app. So either way, you could do that. So let's open up Insure Ace actually. Insure.io. Get it on Binance. If you want lower expenses, you can get it on Mexi Global, which we're trading on Mexi Global currently. Yeah, so there's ways to get this if you want it. There is ways to get this. But yeah, it's pretty cool what they're doing with Baby Doge Swap and what they're doing with all the other ones. So yeah. All right, so next thing we're gonna go ahead and do here, we're looking still to open that same long position, but it's a very hard decision to make. Very hard decision to make, because if we break this, then we're going to lose money, and we don't want to do that. So we have to wait to open up this long position. What we're actually waiting for is for it to hit this momentum wave band. So as it hits that, that's when we open up that long position and make money. And for everyone who's wondering, we're doing this on Mexi Global. So Mexi Global is the exchange we're doing it on. So if you're going to try to trade XRP, crypto futures for XRP, it's better to do that on Mexi Global if you're watching and paying attention to my trades. Like I said, none of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, pure entertainment here. But what I'm waiting for here is this to break that support. So as it breaks that support, then I'll go ahead and open up a long. But it could go up all at once. I'm not opening up a long until it confirms. I always wait for it to go below that 20-point level on the Stoch RSI. Always wait for it to go below that. And if you're going to open up, and that's if you're opening up a long, you're waiting for it to go below that 20-point area for the Stoch RSI. If you're opening up a short, you're waiting for it to get above this 80-point Stoch RSI. And not just that, we need to see the two lines cross each other when we're making the shorts, and then when we're making the longs, we need to see those same two lines crossing each other, and that confirms that it's about to go up. So this is probably going to continue to drop here, which is why I'm not going for the long position yet, because I can see it right now unfolding. it looks like it's going to go down a little bit more, which means I can make a lot more profit if I just be patient and wait for this to go all the way down there. And then if we're going to look at the 15-minute chart, what we actually see here is the same thing's about to happen. We're about to get some buying coming in. You can see it's actually about to cross on the Stoch RSI. It's about to cross right now, which is going to help us rise inside of this. So we're going to make some more money here. Currently, right now, we're trading with $739. I started out the day at $701. Yesterday, I started at $441, ended it at $701. So today is going to be that next journey where we're going to turn the 701 into at the very least 1,000. I made some trades earlier. Now we're at 739. So every single trade has been positive recently. So that's very, very good. And yeah, we're going to keep going and keep making these profits. So if you want to trade along, you can trade along with Mexi Global. And like I said, it's better to trade on the platform Mexi Global right now, just because like if you're watching my trades, then you're gonna want to go where the order books are lining up, and that's on Mexi Global. If you try to trade on something else like Binance or OKX, then you're gonna notice that the prices are slightly different, and it's gonna make you lose money. That's just reality right there. Reality of the matter. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and drop some more links here. So the exclusive crypto millionaires trading group is now open. Like I said, we're making it to that millionaire status here with crypto millionaires. So that is the exclusive Patreon group that is now open and available. Only $30 a month for that. And then we do have the chart prime trading indicators here that I'm currently using right now that help me make a lot of money. And then we also have the Mexi Global link that you can sign up through and get 10% off of all your trading fees. Because if you do that, it's better, like I said, to trade on the same platform if you're following my trades. If you're copy trading, you don't want to do it on a different platform because they have different prices, they have different order flows. You're gonna get screwed in the end if you try to trade on a different one while following my strategy. But like I said, waiting here for this, or maybe we go up here to this resistance line. If we do that, then I can go ahead and open up a short position and then ride the short position down to here. And then I can go ahead and open up the long position. So it's all about strategies here. And that's why you need patience and no emotions while you're trading. You can't be emotional, can't put in more than what you're willing to lose. This is gonna make you trade emotionally. When you trade emotionally, you lose money. A lot of money. So yeah. And earlier today, actually, I made an XRP video, and it's a pretty decent video. So I would definitely say to go check out that video for XRP if you haven't checked that out. But yeah, we're gonna be doing some trading. So shout out to everyone in the chat. How is everybody feeling here? How is everybody feeling? What's going on, everybody? What's going on inside your lives? What are you feeling? How do you feel about the trades? Are you trying to start trading yourself? What's going on? I need some interaction. Who is feeling good today? Because I'm definitely feeling good. And I do see some of your comments in here. So I'm responding to comments on YouTube right now too. But yeah, shout outs to everybody. Yep. Okay. Just here responding to the YouTube fam in the comments. All right. So it looks like we're actually about to be able to open up a short position. That's probably what I'm about to do here. That's looking like the plan. It's looking like the plan. Baby Doge has more potential. I'm responding to these comments. Someone inside the comment says, in your opinion, right now, who has more potential? I'll actually put it on this side so you guys can see this. But yeah, they're saying who has more potential. So yeah, they're saying Augie Inu or Baby Doge. That's what they're saying in the YouTube comments. Baby Doge has more potential. This is just my personal opinion. Baby Doge has more potential. Um, only if you sell at loss. Just responding. So shout out to the Baby Doge army here. We got some good people inside the Baby Doge army. Some really good people out here. LFG, let's go. Shout out to GL Clothing. Day one supporter here. Right. So I think that trading opportunity should present itself by now. So let's see. All right. We're crossing. Yeah, we're crossing over. So that's a sign that we need to start shorting actually. Um it's just a matter of time, honestly. Yeah. It's a good signal to short, but there could be a little bit of an increase in the price like temporarily. Nope. All right. Let's open our short. All right, so we're opening our short position here. I think we missed the opportunity. I think we missed the opening. Yeah, we missed it. Yeah, it's hard to trade live because you're focusing more on like the quality of a live stream than. Man, I really wanted to get in on that trade too. That would have been good to see. It really would have. But yeah, it is what it is. It's whatever. Let's go ahead and cancel that now. Yeah, let's cancel that order. Next time, we'll be all good. We'll get the next trade. Hey, shout out to GL Clothing here. It says, "Good morning, Marsellis. Good morning to you." So yeah, shout out to you, GL Clothing. Good morning. Um, yeah, this is. I could have made that trade, but it's like I was too late. I was a tad bit too late on that trade. Like I tried to get in right here, 336, so I can profit down to there. That would have been a little bit of money. So yeah, I mean XRP is not moving as volatile right now as BLZ was yesterday. So we're not really seeing the same type of gains. So I think what I'm gonna do here, I really did want to do some XRP trading, but I'm noticing is like the volume isn't well, XRP has higher volume than BLZ, but BLZ is like way more volatile. So since it's way more volatile, we're seeing a lot larger movements happening. A lot more larger movements happening. All right, so actually perfect timing. Perfect timing. We have a position that we can hop in, which is going to be a long, but we cannot hop in on that long position until we're completely down here on the RSI below the 20-point movement area, which is right now. All right, now we can do this. Oh, oh no 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 no! Don't open the short. We're going long. We are going long. Okay. I almost made a mistake right there. Y'all almost seen another mistake like how I did yesterday. It was a literal split second of almost making that mistake and opening up a short. I would be down and out right now. Like I would be angry. I would be so mad. 10765. Let's close. Yeah. Um I mean it go up to 10765. Now it's like just waiting to close that position. All right, boom. See, the second we moved away from XRP, we start making money. That was a all right trade. $9.56. Could have made more. Oh, I could have made a lot more if I would have stayed. Oh man. Oh man. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. Could have made a lot more, but I'm not complaining. I rather make money than lose money. So when I make any type of money, I'm set. I'm good. But we're hopping back in on that because yeah, we're not missing out on that one. Because if you look at it like, oh yeah, we're gonna get a nice pump coming in. But yeah, you don't want to chase trades. I will say that. So yeah, let's not chase that trade. Let's let it pull back because we watched it go down and now we're gonna watch it go up. So Yeah, and look at this one. Yeah, well, let's let this pull back just a little bit more, and then we can hop back in it if we want to do that. Um, all right, so it's pretty interesting though. We started at $701. We're now at 749. Started at 701. Yesterday we started at 441, ended at 701. So now we're at 749. Doing extremely well. Extremely well. Um wow, this is okay. Moving a little bit slower than I imagined. I want it to possibly go down. Yeah, sometimes trading can be stagnant at times. It can be stagnant at times to where you're just like, what is going on? Just waiting for an opportunity. Waiting for that long position opportunity. Because if we go down anymore, we'll be in that range. Very rarely does it actually drop inside of the momentum wave band unless it's about to have a major drop. That's why I'm being very wary and cognizant of what I'm doing here. Cannot make a mistake. Mistakes cost you money. But yeah, this shows like its price is gonna go down a little bit more. Like, if you look at the 15M chart, I mean we're primed for another drop here. So it might be showing that we're increasing in price, but don't be fooled. Do not be fooled. It looks like we're gonna have a drop. So yeah, we're at 32 minutes and 34 seconds of the stream. We've had some people come in, but we have also had people drop out of the stream. So anyone watching this on the playback, you do see like we're making good money, but it's almost as if people really only want to watch the stream if it's about Baby Doge, which I understand. Baby Doge Army to the moon, you know, all that good stuff. But I mean, we have opportunities to make some money here, Baby Doge Army. Like we have some opportunities to make money. I just want y'all to realize that there's other ways of making money in crypto than just Baby Doge. Baby Doge is good. I love Baby Doge. I think it's a really, really, really good project. But we need to start diversifying. And yeah, there's a lot of good projects out there that are doing very, very well that don't charge a tokenomics tax. So you're actually able to make better profits when you're not getting charged a tax. So yeah, what we're just doing right now is making money to, do different things inside of crypto. So that's why I'm here making this money doing this. And we started earlier with $701. Now we're at $749. Started yesterday at $442 or $441. Ended it at 442. And I actually have, or we ended it at 701, not 442. Started at 441, ended at 701. Now we're at, I actually had to change a number here because like I put 7. All right. For 441.5. So yeah, I actually journal my trades in here. So just so I have my profits like inside of the journal. But all of that's well. Okay, so we could have opened up a long position and still benefited off of it. It's just I'm not trying to take unnecessary risk. Yeah. Not trying to take unnecessary risk here. So there is that. All right, so we're about to be able to open up a short position here very soon. Another short position that is. So we're just waiting for this to get above that 80 points on the RSI and waiting for that cross. So then we can have our short position here. So that's what I'm waiting for now. And we'll take and ride that short position all the way back down to where we were previously. That'll be a cool 30 or $40, something like that. So yeah, we'll wait, do that. Maybe it'll be less than 30 or 40. Who knows? But yeah, we'll see. But yeah, this is going to be a good trade right here. I can already feel it in my bones. All right, if we actually look at the 15-minute chart, yep, still going down on the 15M. Like I said, we're going all the way down there. That is the goal with this. So yeah, I reckon most of the views for this live stream are actually going to be on the playback. So for the people watching this on the playback, what cryptos would you like to see me trade on Mexi Global? So we do have a good amount of cryptos here on Mexi Global. So let me know which ones you all would like me to trade on Mexi Global because, you know, Mexi Global is a very good exchange, in my personal opinion. All right, so short position opening soon. Um, yeah, very soon actually. All right, let's go short on this now. We can't miss another trade like we did before. Um, don't chase, don't chase. All right, now we can open our short. Didn't want to chase that. All right, we got it open. Half of it's open. Um, oh, so yeah, it decided it's gonna pump a little more. We could have waited a little bit before we opened that short position. Just a little bit. It's all good. We'll wait for this. Okay. 0 point. Oh wow. So yeah, that was unexpected. We just now got a random pump coming in. So yeah, that did just happen. All right. So now we have a bullish buying zone here. That was unexpected. All right. So now for this trade, what I'm gonna have to do is re-strategize what I'm gonna do. So 113 is that liquidation price. So if it goes all the way up to 113, that's a liquidation price, which is kind of ridiculous because 113 is all the way up here. So it's kind of ridiculous to think it can go all the way up to 11329, which 11329 is all the way up here. I don't see it happening unless like we just like out of nowhere like start going crazy. I mean, 113 would be all the way up here. 11329. Yeah, that would be insane actually. So with this particular trade, it's gonna go up to this resistance here. It's probably gonna go back up to there. I didn't expect it to do all that. I actually expected it to have a stronger pullback, but you win some, you lose some. This one isn't gonna be a losing trade though. I do foresee it either stopping at 109 and then going down or something like that. So we got in this trade at 0.10831. So we got into this particular trade 0.10831. We got here right at this area here, right before we had the major breakthrough for that. But watch as it starts to drop. We have really nothing to worry about for this particular trade. But like I said, anything can happen. That's why you always want to be careful and cognizant of what's going on in the current market. And this is a very volatile crypto. BLZ has been volatile for the longest time. Let's actually because I was looking at XRP earlier, but let's look at BLZ now that we've switched over to trading BLZ. Um, Lagging really bad right now. Really bad lag. Yeah, down 9%. That's also why I'm looking at it like this is a good time to short. So I'm just waiting for it to waiting for people to stop being so bullish with this, to let it just drop. Just let it drop. That's what we need to see. We need to see this price drop for those gains. But yeah, we just need to get below this area here so then we can actually realize those gains. So now we play the waiting game. This is the beauty of trading is the waiting game. And this is with 20x leverage. So very, very risky. Very, very risky. So I guess while we're waiting for this. Oh, what is that we see? We see a drop. I want to see it drop more than that. Way, way more. Oh, hold up. So we got in at 10,831. So we needed to go below 10,831 to make profit. That's what we need. We do not need to see this anywhere above that area when we sell. We need to be a below 10,831. Um yeah, it's very, very volatile. So you're gonna see it making like weird sporadic movements. I'm just gonna go ahead and open up a close for this short. Oh wait, no. See, it is very, very volatile right now. This is ridiculously volatile. That's kind of why I went from XRP to trading BLZ because I'm trying to see more movements in the chart. It's kind of hard to trade leverage when it's not volatile. Well, not necessarily hard. It's just when you don't have as much money in there, you don't make as many gains. So it's harder to maneuver. So yeah, we'll just do this one for now. See what we can do. And even when you look at the 15M chart, like this is a this is kind of a textbook play right here. It should be hypothetically speaking, it should be pulling back. But if you look at the long term, it could be primed for a breakout or it could continue to pull back. Like there's a lot of different opportunities to make different trades from shorts to long positions. So we're really just waiting for it to go below this 80 point area here. I really could have made a long position and then opened up a short once it reached that, but there's no way to 100% know what's going to happen. You can only predict the movement of the market, and I can predict that the movement is going towards the downside, but I just can't predict the exact moment it's going to do that. So that's a general rule of thumb when trading. Okay, so it decided it's not going to continue. Almost got to where we wanted it to go. Almost. I'm just gonna go ahead and open a close short at 10,826, just so when it actually, yeah, just so when it actually plays out, I can have my order there ready to be filled out. Hopefully, it plays out the way we want it to play out, because you don't want to ever see your money go down when you're trading. But yeah, we just gotta wait for it to play out. See how this goes. And like I said, liquidation is at 113. So 113 is very, very high. Like from here, like that's insane, insanely high. But yeah, it's just ridiculous how the charts are moving right now. Very ridiculous. But if this doesn't continue to run up like that, then we can be pretty confident that it's gonna get below our break even price. If it doesn't go up, we should like yeah, it just now dropped again. So we should see a pullback going to this line. You see this line forming up here as we speak. That's why I love trading view automated trading indicators, because technically speaking, it should fall back to here. That's pretty much what we're waiting for right now. It is muito risco, which is very risky in Portuguese. Muito risco. Um, All right, we're gonna be waiting here just a little bit longer. Just a little bit longer. Okay. It looks like we're getting closer. All right. Let's keep waiting for this. All right. Come on. I'm plotting on this going lower and lower. Estoy tramando. Plotting in Spanish. Come on, let's get it though. We really need to get below that 31 area. Um, okay. It's going a little bit lower. It's going a little bit lower. We just gotta let it drop down just a little bit more for our profits. So yeah, we're gonna let this play out. Okay. Moving a bit slow here. All right. Hey, it looks like we're about to have our area met. No, come on. It's like it's tricking us. It tricks us, makes us think that it's about to drop. And oh, it actually looks like it's gonna go back up a little bit. Yeah, it'll be like the trade we had yesterday where it took us longer than expected to make our profit. So, but notice how it's like the stair step method. I like to say it's like a stair step. That's the path it's following currently. It could change, but that's the current path that we're seeing now. Let's bring this up to here because it's technically there. It's like a stair step here. Just a little bit more. Come on. Just a little bit more. So yeah, we got in this trade at the 3-1 area, which is 0.10831. We're looking for 0.108 let me see what I've targeted. We're looking for 0.10826. And we got in at 0.10831. And see how it's like getting closer and closer to there. So this trade is gonna take a little bit longer than expected because of that. But yeah, we're gonna it's gonna be a little bit longer than expected. Let's just leave it at that. A little bit longer than expected to reach our target price. But it's all good because this is what trading's about. It's nothing's ever 100% certain. So now we just gotta wait a little bit longer than we wanted to. It's all good. It's all good. And now it's pumping again. Ridiculous, isn't it? Okay. Gotta wait a little longer. All right. So shout out to a few people that we do have inside of here. What do you all want to see next? What is on your mind? What do you want to see next here? We'll let this trade play out the way it does. But what are you looking at for to see next? You're looking towards the chess game coming out for Baby Doge. Looking towards XRP. What's going on here? And the SEC is gonna appeal XRP as well. So, well, that's what they're looking to do. They're trying to appeal. We'll see what actually works, though, if it actually works. All right, so we should get another drop here. Hopefully, this drop is strong enough. The current pattern here that I'm noticing is definitely a consolidation wedge here. We're definitely looking towards consolidation here. All right. So if this pattern is going to continue to be bullish, I'm going to break out at that area, but that's not what we're looking for. We want it to be bearish. All right. So we got the drop we were looking for. Just looking for another steep drop. All right, and it went below our target. And it hit our target, 2.6. All right, it closed a little bit. All right, that's good. That's good. We closed our trade out on a positive note there. So that was a successful trade. A very small trade. Now we're at $756. It was only $6.89. But we're not looking to make huge profit every single trade. We're looking to make just enough profit to actually be profitable here. So we've gotten some good trades today. Started today at 7:01. Now I'm at 7:56. Started trading at 8 a.m. But see, when I started trading, like I was making an XRP video. I was editing the XRP video. I was making this live stream and starting it up. And now it is what it is now. Um, but yeah, we're just moving along here. But I guess at the 1 hour mark, we're gonna go ahead and probably end it because not many people are joining. It's early in the morning. Everyone wants to see Baby Doge, Baby Doge, Baby Doge. Only Baby Doge. They don't want to see anything about making money trading. So I guess the next live stream we're gonna have to do, it's gonna have to be strictly Baby Doge to keep the Baby Doge army satisfied. But shout out to the Baby Doge army. I just wish you all would come and view these live streams some more. But I didn't plan this live stream. It was impromptu. So that's probably also why we're not getting a lot of people joining. We just kind of started this up because I seen an opportunity to trade. And when I see opportunities to trade, I definitely run towards those opportunities. So I seen an opportunity. It was like I figured I'll make a live stream so the Baby Doge army can benefit off of this trading opportunity as well. So that's pretty much what we're trying to do here. And we're just waiting now for another opportunity. So it looks like it's about to present itself a little bit, the opportunity, but hard to tell right now. All right, we just got a sell signal. So yeah. I'm not gonna open up a short though, because it would be kind of dumb to open up a short right now. Because if you see the support is actually way too close to that area, so it could easily hit that and then start the pump and then continue to go. So what I would want to do is wait a little bit to open up a long position. Like opening up a long position around here or around here is more optimal. So that's what we're doing. We're waiting for that long position. All right. So I think we're actually about to have the opportunity to make a long position here. Yep, it's about to present itself. It's about to do it. All right. We're getting closer and closer to being able to open up a good position here. All right. Look at the 15-minute chart. Yeah. Very short-term long position, I would say. This could have a even steeper drop, maybe. Okay. That was a quick reversal for that. I didn't have much time to man, I really wish I would have opened that long position, but I was kind of waiting for even harder drop than that, but it is what it is. It's whatever. Maybe it'll drop again and then I'll have a opportunity to cuz I'm not trying to trade chase the trade. Like that's not what I want to do. That's very bad to chase. You don't want to ever chase the trade. It went all the way down to here. That would have been a perfect opportunity to go long. Would have been immediate $100 All right, guys. So we had a technical difficulty there. It actually shut down. I mean, like my computer just it crashed. So that sucks. But we're back. We're back live again. That was really stupid, but hey, I like how StreamYard keeps your stream running without it actually running. So um there's just a few things I gotta make sure of. One moment. I'm gonna do this really quick. We're just gonna go ahead and present the screen here. I just want to make sure everything is good and the sound's back. So yeah, watch the screen. All right, so we're back, everyone. So yeah, we I had a really bad issue with my computer. It just now shut down, but everything is good now. You probably just not heard some sound. I was making sure my sound's working. Let me know in the chat if my sound is actually working, please, 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 because I'm not able to actually see that. Okay, yeah, actually, I do believe it is working. So all good there. All right, so had some problems, but we're back now, back better than ever. All that good stuff. Shout out to Akoi's Crypto Master says mouth or next year 2024 Binance Coinbase listening. I think you mean month or next year. I think that's what you're talking about. So I don't know. It's hard to tell. Honestly, a listing only seems possible if we can get a I don't know during a bull market, but it just it's hard to get listed on there. I'm gonna be honest. It's hard. It's hard to get listed on a Binance. And we just need another bull market so we have another chance at really pushing baby doge to the masses again. So that's pretty much our best bet, pushing baby doge to the masses as we move on. But yeah, we're gonna go and do some more trading. I did have some technical difficulties and my computer crashed, so forgive me for that. But we are now back, and now that we're back, I want to send you. Remember, we just now set up this Patreon, so we're gonna be doing these live trading sessions there. We have a really good win rate right now. At the moment, we have a 100% win rate, but it's good to just say nine out of 10 win rate. It's best to just best practice to just say 9 out of 10. Even though I haven't lost any other trades from yesterday or today, it's best to just say 9 out of 10, so people know there are expectations of losing on some trades, but not all trades are going to be losing trades. So only sometimes you will. But typically, if we take and use this strategy, we can do very well. Hey, shout out to Akoi's Crypto Master again. Says make million Caspa $7 next bull market now. Top 46 Caspa, no Binance Coinbase next bull market listing. Honestly, I don't know what Caspa is. So yeah, forgive me for that. I don't know anything about Caspa, so but let's see what it is. Yeah. I don't know anything about Caspa. It looks like it has the K from KuCoin. But yeah, I'll look into this. It's a top 46 project, and I have it in my portfolio. So someone probably mentioned it before, and I probably never fully looked into it, but someone has mentioned it to me before, and I saved it as one of my videos to go over soon. So I will definitely go over Caspa for you and see if it's a crypto worth getting in on. Seems like it's a decent project. So, but like right now, my computer is moving way too slow because of that crash. Unfortunately, um, okay. So it's back. It's back. It's moving. It's moving a little bit. I'm just glad it did not happen while I was trading. If it would have happened when I was in a trade, I really would have. I don't know. I would have been mad. I would have been really mad. But anyways, we're about to open up a short, so prepare for that. Like I said, none of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Pure entertainment here. Trade at your own risk. That's what we're doing right now. Oh man. So yeah, it looks like that trade was missed. I was about to open up a short, but then it just started to crash. And I'm like, oh, I missed the short. You never want to chase it. Like if you miss it, just let it play out. Let it play out the way it does if you miss it. Because if you go ahead and try to chase a trade, this could randomly start pumping back up to here, kind of like how I did last time. So I'm not gonna chase that. I'm just gonna wait for see. It looks like it might actually start doing exactly what we said, and it might pump up to that area or to that area. So depending on where it pumps, that's where I'm gonna wait for it to go. So just let it pump again. Actually, yeah, yeah. So this is a good trade to make very soon. Just gotta wait for that opportunity to present itself. A little bit more, and then I'm gonna do it. A little bit more. Boom. Sell. Boom. Boom for buy. It's a weird pattern, actually. This is a weird pattern because it's been moving sideways for a while. But I think we just got that confirmation that we need to short it. Look at this. It's actually about to turn bullish a little bit. Not a lot. Like it's gonna go a little bit higher. That's what it looks like. Whenever it turns purple from red with the chart prime indicators, that's exactly what it did back here before it actually started to pump. Exactly what it did here before it started to pump. And that's why I like the chart prime indicators. Right now, it's turning that purple color, which isn't always 100%, but as you can see, it is still going up a little bit. So, which means I can wait for it to go a little bit higher before I make another trade. Yeah. Shout out to Baby Doge or Koi's Crypto Master here. So Koi's Crypto Master says Baby Doge coin. I think that's 5Z1 month. Yep, see it went bullish. So yeah, we want to wait for this now. We don't want to get in yet. But yeah, he says 2023 or next year, 2024 bull market listening finance. So yeah, I think the 2024 is going to be the bull market. I don't think it's going to happen this year. So yeah, we're going to have to wait till 2024 to see another bull market. That's just how it is. That's just how it is. We're going to have to wait till 2024. But yeah, bull market 2024, maybe possibly an exchange listing for Baby Doge in 2024, possibly. But I wouldn't bet on it. But we could see it. It's 100% a possibility. All right. I think from right here I can actually make a short. So YOLO. Let's go ahead and make that short. Oh man, we missed it. It went down like right as we opened the short. It's whatever. Hold up. Oh, oh, okay. Ran 0.0108. Hold up. All right. This could be a good trade. I'm just I got 897. I'm looking for 88, but let's let this go down a little bit. Boom, get it. All right. It should have closed by now. Oh, I see what I did. I made a mistake. 0.10874. Now close it. Okay. All right. I made a mistake there. So I put 0.0107 instead of 10874. So that was the problem there. All right, so we made a good trade right there. That was a good trade. $23.59. I would have made a lot more had I stayed inside of it, but I take my profits early because I'm not risking anything. And that's why I've got a 100% win rate so far because I'm not doing anything really risky. I didn't keep holding on to it. If I kept holding on to it, I probably would have made $100 right there. But I was like, nope, we're gonna sell it early, and now we're at 779. So I'm doing what they call scalp trading. I'm scalping the market for small, tiny trades and letting that add up. I could have kept going and made 100, but I closed it, took 23.49, $23.49 because I'm not trying to risk everything. So yeah, we're at 100% win right now. Right now, we started at $701, and now we're at $779. That last trade was $23.49. We only paid 2 cents inside of trading fees, and I'm trading with 20x margin. Yesterday we had $442. Yesterday we started at $441, ended the day at $701, and now we started the day at 701, and now we're at 779. So we're not ending the day until we're above 1,000. I'm trying to get like more than 1,000. Like that's pretty much my goal here for this trading session here. So there's lots of goals for this particular live stream. Ooh, I would have had a lot of money. I just stayed in it, but like I said, I'm not risking everything for one trade. So I let my trades go after a little bit of profit. I don't sit around waiting for the most profit I can get. But shout out to of course CryptoMaster again says you have Caspa holding, no Binance, Coinbase, waitlisting, make million. I mean, um, I don't have any Caspa. Yeah, I don't have any, but I do have it on my watch list. But I don't have any actually. So there is that. But yeah, I'm not sure about listings. Look at this. This is a textbook pattern right here. Very, very, very common pattern. Very common. Like when you see trading patterns like this, you want to trade these. You want to trade these types of patterns. Like it's so easy. This is easy money. We're literally printing money. And now we can we can go ahead and get us a long position and ride that all the way back up there. Like this is a very textbook pattern right here. Like very much textbook pattern. When I say textbook pattern, this is a pattern that's very common with traders. Like when you see this, you're printing out money. You're literally printing out money when you see this. So now we can just do a long position. This is easy money. Easy, easy money. But yeah, we can do a long position, but not yet. Not yet. We haven't crossed on the RSI down here. When the RSI crosses, that's when you want to go ahead and open up your long position when it's down there. And then the same thing when it's on top. See how when it's on top, it crossed, went down. That's when we opened up our short position. We're doing the same thing on the bottom. And it has not crossed yet, which means we have a little bit more leeway to go down, just like it just now did. So we're going to wait for it to go a little bit lower. And then we're going to go ahead and lock in that position and get our long position up there. Of course, also says Caspa top 46 now. CoinGecko. Yeah, that's all right. That's decent. Okay. Hey, look at this. Look at this. Oh, and then it went back up. I was thinking we were having a good. Hold up. It actually might break out of that pattern. Look at this. It just now crossed on the 15-minute chart. It actually might break out of that pattern. So it's always good to look at other charts as well, other time periods. So if it breaks out of this pattern and continues to go down, then I'll open up a long position down here if that's what happens. Because we are probably nearing the end of this pattern. Like we've been in this pattern for a very long time. So if we get to the end of it, then I won't be too mad. Hey, but now we're going back up. I mean, we'll see. We will all see. Still thinking about opening up a long position down here. If I did it, I would have made a little bit, but I still believe we have more way to go down. Hold on, let me look at the 15-minute again. Okay. No, we have a little bit more leverage to go up. All right, let's go ahead and go long on this position. Let's do it now at this current position that we're seeing. I think this could be a good trade, so I'll risk it. No, we missed it by a short window. Okay, we missed it by a little tiny bit. It was a short window to get in, but like I said, we're not trying to risk everything here. We're not trying to risk everything. So if we miss the opportunity, we're not going to chase it. We're just not going to chase that. It would have been nice to get in on that trade because it was a good long position to open. But like I said, it's not good to chase a trade. If you miss it, just consider that a missed opportunity. You don't want you don't want to go ahead and because like if I were to open up a long position here and then it starts to drop again, well now I'm screwed. So yeah, and since I already missed it, I might as well cancel my long position because if it does start to crash, then there's a reason why I missed it then. So there's that. All right, and it is starting to go down. So yeah, actually, it might go down a little bit more. So I think it might have been good that I did not open the position there. Let's just wait. Let's just wait it out. Not chasing this trade or any trade at that. So wait on this. All right. Hmm. All right. We're pulling back a lot more actually. So I think it was good that I didn't take that trade because it looks like we're gonna break out of this pattern and we'll probably go down to the momentum wave band, which is pretty much our support down here. Possibly breaking this. Possibly. Oh yeah. That's why I do not chase. I do not chase. All right, we're pulling back still. I'm just curious how far it can pull back. It looks like it'll pull back a little bit more. I don't know. We're gonna wait for this. We're gonna wait. See exactly what'll happen. Let's pull back a little bit more. Just a little bit. Looks like we're doing exactly what I mentioned, breaking down below that. If we do that, we're probably gonna go down to that support. Now this is the good long opening a long position opportunity down here. Look at that. Look at that. That's nice. It's very, very nice when you see things like that happen. Okay. We're gonna go ahead and open this down at 3. Actually, we'll open this long at the four area here. All right, we got our long position open, not all of it, but we got a partial trade here. Um, yeah, it didn't give us all our whole position there. All right, now it gave us our whole position. 0.1075. Oh no, sell it at 6. Sell it at 6. Close long. All right, we got it. Textbook trade. I'm telling you, we're printing out money here. We are printing out money. So we made $31.20 on that trade. Now we're at $811. I'm telling you, we are printing that money out. We're printing that money out. Started this journey yesterday at 441. And like I said, I'm going for that $1 million. I'm going for it. And we're going to keep trading this money here. Let it keep rising. Whew. All right. Look at all of this. The only trades that I lost was on the 14th of August, which was 4 cents. On the 14th of August again, which was 1 cent. So I lost 5 cents on the 14th of August. I lost $1.78 on the 6th of August. I lost 5 cents plus 8 cents on May, the 27th of May. And for all of these other ones, I've made money. So like I started this journey at like $1 something. Anyways, we're at $811. I did put in $441 of my own money after I started at $11. So really, technically, I started at 442. Technically, technically, but yeah, we're doing really good. We're doing really good. $811 in. Okay, let me. I was kind of too focused on the gains that I just made. I need to be more focused on the long position that I could open here. This long position, or the next one, I'm just gonna go ahead and open it because I'm very, very confident that it's gonna be successful. Very, very confident in this long position. It might go back down, but then again, it might not. Typically, I don't make trades like this where I'm not sure. Wait, hold up. Mm, I'm not sure about this one. It's kind of a mixed bag right here because it looks like it's about to go up, but it could easily cross over and go back down. I'm not gonna make this trade. It's how I've been successful so far. So I'm gonna stick to the plan, and it's not in the plan to immediately make a trade after succeeding from the other one. You have to take a step back and not get cocky, and then really assess the situation in the market. I was about to open a long position. Let's just see if it drops though, because if it drops, then I'm making a good decision by not opening another long position. And look, we're getting another candlestick opening up here. So it actually might be viable. Actually might be a viable option to open up a long position, but I'm still not trying to risk everything. So if it drops, all right, I missed the opportunity. If it goes, I mean, if it drops, then I made the right decision. But if it goes up, then I missed the opportunity. So either way, I'm happy because I'm happy when I keep money and when I make money. So as long as I'm keeping it and making it, I'm all good. But it is looking like it might pull back farther. That's why I'm like very wary on this one because you can even kind of see it too here. It just now crossed on the RSI, so we might see that drop, and that drop actually might be a little bit bigger than expected, or it might go up. Either way, we are a okay. So let's wait for this. Okay. Yep, it's going up. So I could have made some money there. I could have. Yeah, not worried about it. I think it's still gonna go down. Look, it looks like it's about to cross here. Like, look, imagine it going like this, and then this one crossing downwards, and that one, and then crossing downwards like that. Like that's what I'm looking at because this happens a lot, and then it'll probably end up crossing back again there. Look at that. Yes, okay, we made the right decision. We made the right decision. All right, good. That's why you gotta trust your gut. Like, if something's telling you, like, do not do it, don't get too cocky, then don't do it. I almost did it. I was like, we're gonna make it. But I'm like, nah, I'm not. Got to this position by not trading impulsively. Now the only problem is it might go down all the way and keep going, or it might just stop here and then keep going up. Oh no, it looks like it's gonna do the other one where it's going down all the way. So let me get ready to open up a long position. I'm glad I didn't do that. That would have been really bad. That would have been the worst trade ever. So yeah, we're gonna wait for this to go down and we're gonna buy this. And remember, this is the BLZ crypto futures here on Mexi Global. BLZ. And we got the Patreon open now too. We got the Patreon. Just waiting. All right. Okay, this is moving a little bit slower. All right, so oh wow. Okay, I would have got liquidated right there. I would have got liquidated right there. I would have lost everything had I not been trading smart. Ooh, I'm kind of scared to open up a long, even though if I open up a long, I'm making big money. But I'm still scared to do it. I'm not gonna do it yet. That would have been the liquidation right there. Y'all would have seen me lose everything had I not listened to my gut. So I'm not even gonna trade this long position. I gotta wait for that volatility to exit. And that's what I'm talking about. When you look at these order books, like they're really manipulating this price. Like you see, people are putting millions up in there. And this is the amount inside BLZ. Like my average trade is around how much BLZ? 144,000 BLZ. There's some people trading 220k BLZ, was probably like $1,000, 131. So it's like a lot of people 765k BLZ. They're long in it. Yep, a long position is seeming like the route. So hold up here. This is a very, very, very important trade that I have to make. Because if I do this, this could offset my whole day and make me into a multi millionaire. Nah, it's not going to be $1 million trade. But look, this is going to be a good trade though. It went all the way down here briefly. Hmm. Mioneta. Let's get some type of movement here. Okay, it could drop down lower. It could. Um, it looks like we're crossing on the RSI. That's a very good bullish sign. All right, I'm gonna just go on and go ahead and do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. As you can see, I'm trying to like. Okay, it went down even lower than expected. All right, this is the opportunity we've all been waiting for. Let's go ahead and open a long. Because if we open up a long on this, we might or might not get it. 0.1. And I'm planning my great escape from this long position. 1, 0. Okay, I couldn't open up my full position for some reason. Because I tried to get in at 64. So what I'm gonna do here is cancel the half of the other position. I don't like to be in volatile trades like this for too long, so I'm just gonna close it and take my tiny profit of 12 bucks. All right. So I took my little profits there. I wasn't able to do a full trade on that. That was a $12.68 trade. Hey, shout out to Nick Mills, says good luck. Thank you for that. That's much appreciated. Much appreciated. This is the millionaire journey here. So we're gonna go ahead and do another trade here. So our next one, we're gonna go ahead and open up latest. Boom, click boom. Milloneta. All right. We're gonna go ahead and open up another long. All right. This long is gonna be a little bit different because I started it and then it started to go down even more. So I usually don't try to close them out this early, but I'm actually feeling a little bit scared for this particular trade. So we're just gonna go ahead and close it. No. Just go up just a little bit. Just a little bit. All right, so I opened it at 7.8. I'm seeing a red flag here. All right, hit 9.0. That's my order price. Fill it. Go ahead and fill it. All it has to do is fill at the. Okay, so it filled it. All right, so we made more money on that trade. We made $18.61 on that trade. So we went ahead and filled that. Now we're at $842. All right, so the next trade, I'm probably not gonna just hop in on the next one until we get some more confirmation. Like I'm like sitting here like, what's happening? Is it going down or is it going up? Like this is it's confusing right now. Very confusing because you look at this and it's like it hasn't necessarily hit that support yet. It hasn't really hit that support yet, so it could keep crashing on us. So it's like maybe I should wait till it hits the support. Like that is I don't know. It's going up. I would have made a lot of money if I would have stayed, but I'm not going to chase this trade. I think I made enough on this particular trade. So for now, I'm just going to let this one ride out. And then the next opportunity I'll hop in on. Could get in on it now, but a little bit too risky. A little bit too risky. That huge drop would have liquidated me before, but I made the right decision and didn't get in on that trade. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing here and not get in on this trade. Because if I do, I mean, it could go all the way up. It could, or it could go down. But typically, when you have a dark shaded green area like that, like a very bright green, like look at what happened last time. Like that's a very very important point because typically, yes, it'll go up, but it'll go down a little bit more before it finally goes up. Like, look, this is pretty much the point where we're at now, but it kept going, and we went back into it, and then it started to recover. So I think it might do the same thing again to where it takes a little bit longer to recover. If it doesn't though, I'm not complaining. But look at it, it's going back down a little bit. Okay. I think what I said is might happen is actually happening. Yeah, we're at 842 now. Started today at $701. Made $842 since 8 a.m. At 8 a.m. I was actually making a video and I was editing videos, so I wasn't really paying attention. Only made like 3 trades. But yeah, did that. Started at 442 yesterday, turned it to 701. Started 701 today. Now we're at 842. So yeah, we're doing good trades. If you all want to join in on this, remember I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. Purely entertainment here is a very risky market to trade in. Doing 20x futures like I'm doing. Here we have Mexi Global. We're gonna keep trading here. So yeah, go ahead and check out that Mexi Global link if you want to join Mexi Global and trade on here as well. If you want the chart prime indicators, which I'm using to have the momentum wave bands, you can use that. And if you want to join the Crypto Millionaires Patreon, you can go ahead and do that. Big shout out to Crypto Surfer. It says Baby Doge, Volt Unu, Marsellis. Good morning. Hey, good morning to you, Crypto Surfer. Good morning to you. I told you we're gonna keep doing this every single day. We're gonna keep going with these trades. So yeah, this is a journey. It's a whole process. It's a process and a sacrifice. Crypto Surfer says you'll be at 10K no time. Hey, thank you for that. Thank you for that. I really do believe so too, because like I've made 142 since I woke up this morning, and I'm really pushing to get above $1,000 today, and preferably up to 1,500. Because inside of the prediction I did, if I can turn the $700 to 1,500, and then the next day turn 1,500 to 3,000, and the next day turn 3,000 into 6,000, and then the next day turn 6,000 into 12,000, and then turn 12,000 to 24,000, turn 24,000 to 48,000, turn 48,000, and this is when my math starts messing up. Turn 48,000 to 96,000, turn 96,000 into 192,000, 190. Yeah, and then from there, my math is just gonna get all mixed up, so I can't do it from there. But yeah, like I said, this is the path I'm trying to take here with this. So just trying to double it every single day, double the money. So I'm trying to get from $700 to either 1,400 or 1,500, and just so I can keep doubling every single day. So that's where we're at with it. This trade is still not confirmed yet. Like, I still haven't confirmed what the strategy should be for this trade. And I'm sitting here and I'm looking at it. I'm like, oh man, it's a confusing trade. Like, I'm looking at it. I'm not trading this particular trade until it's confirmed that I will win. Only like to do confirmed trades here. Where do we have? So shout out to everyone that has joined so far. We've had a lot of people coming in and out. But yeah, shout out to everybody in the chats here. Shout out to everybody. Um, yeah, still waiting for this trade. Thought it would have been a little bit easier for it to go back up from where it was. But we actually might have another drop, so I'm really being cautious while I trade here. Milneta. All right. Okay. All right. It's moving up a little bit more. It's starting to ramp up. I do see the price is starting to, well, I mean, the charts on the RSI is starting to go up. The price is kind of staying stagnant, but the RSI is going up, which is kind of a sign that it's about to drop, because once it goes up here and it crosses, and then that's when we see cross to the downside. But we could also see a massive increase in the price from here too. Watch how the green is getting a darker shade of green. That's very important with the chart prime indicators, because the same thing happened back here when we had a very light shade of green, and it started to transfer finally into that darker shade of green, which means the bulls are starting to come in. That's exactly what that means. And we're actually close to crossing at the top of that RSI there too. So according to the previous technicals, we technically should be pumping here soon. And if that's the case, I'm trying to be in on that. So we will see. We will see. All right. So what I'm gonna do for this, when we get to $1,000, I'm probably gonna close this stream. I'm gonna go cook some food, and then I'm gonna eat. watch some YouTube videos, and then I'm gonna come back to the stream. So right now we're at $842. So at $1,000, I'm gonna go get some food because that's that's a lot of money right there. That's a lot of money. So I'm trying to be conservative with it. I don't want to be too cocky here with my trades because that's how you lose when you're trading, doing too much. So yeah, when I make 158 more dollars, then I'll come back here and keep trading. Well, then I'll go get some food and then come back and keep trading. That is that. Oh, it's going down. It's going down. Let's look at the 15-minute. Okay, it's almost reached the bottom of the RSI, but not yet. So yeah, it's still the same thing we were saying earlier. So at 0.10454 is that buy price for me. So if we hit 0.10454 or anywhere close to that, I'm buying. And that's my strategy there. And we're actually getting closer and closer to it. 10454 would be about this area right here. So we get right here, then I have a good chance of making a good amount of money. So I'm waiting for that particular region. And the good part about it is, hold up, let me do one thing. All right, I'm adding BLZ. I'm adding this particular trading pair to my arsenal here, as I like to call it, because I've been literally like trading this since yesterday and just making money the whole time. And it's a very, very, very good crypto to trade because it's very volatile right now. And that's BLZ. It's Blue Zell down 15.4% in the last 24 hours. Very volatile right now. 44.5 million in market cap, 49.8 million in 24-hour trading volume. So like big money is flowing through BLZ right now. This is like the crypto to trade right now. The crypto to trade, specifically here on Mexi Global. So yeah, I'm having a fun time trading this, honestly. This is pretty fun. Really fun. Okay, we're getting closer. We're getting closer to making that next move. Oh, it's going back up. Getting closer. Just looking for a good confirmation so I can get in. Time is ticking. Blah blah. Uncovering characters. Okay, so this is for their game. I guess we can look at a preview of their games for trading their. Yeah, this is their game. Uncovering Gamma Force character breeding mysteries. Let Blue Zell CEO Powerful Blaines and the Starleap team guide you. Okay, so this is the CEO of that crypto that we're trading. Yeah. Attention all gamers. Okay, so it's one of those games where it's like I don't know how to explain these types of games. It's like a strategy game. Like a lot of crypto games have the same concept. No shade to them, but yeah, they a lot of them have like the same concept looks. So yeah, they kind of follow that same infrastructure there. So this is their team. Who controls your gaming destiny? This is the Blue Zell team. We have Pavel Baines, who is the CEO of Blue Zell. We have Aiden, who is the Web3 manager at Wisdom Labs. Johnny, co-founder of Morify Us. Roy, co-founder of Arcus. Jamie, who is the moderator. Okay. So yeah, that's the team. That's the team they got going on. So they got a solid team going on. Teamwork makes the dream work. But yeah, interesting game. Interesting looking game. Gamma 4. So how do you all feel about this game? Would you play this game? Is it your type of game? How do you feel about it? It's almost like a strategy game. It looks like it's got some PvE, PvP type things going on. So yeah, let me know what y'all think about that. The best travel backpack. Only backpack a man needs, designed for work in all aspects of life. It's a pretty cool, sporty looking backpack. They're advertising on here. I'm gonna click on their advertisement. Just look at it. A little expensive. $100 backpack. I don't think I need all that. I don't think I need all that. All right, let's get back to this. Okay, so you actually might get another short trade coming in. Um, I don't know. It's kind of a hard decision. Like after such volatility, it's been moving relatively slow. Most people are having shorts there. Hmm. Very interesting. Very interesting. Molto interessanti or interessanti. All right. Continue to go down a little bit more. I mean, we might get another drop in the price. It's kind of what it's looking like. Very hard to tell at this point. Like if you look at it, there might be bullish movements coming in soon, or there might not. I don't know. But I do know one thing's for sure. I'm not trading until I know exactly what I should do. I don't know that yet. It looks like it wants to go down so bad. But then again, it's like after a drop that big, we typically have a buying area. So that's what has me confused. And they had such a huge pump recently, like so it's not far fetched that they're gonna keep going down a little bit more. That's the last 30 days right there. Interesante. Oh, I guess we'll wait a little bit longer. How much longer do you all think I should wait? Do you think this is gonna I wanna know what y'all think. Do you think it's gonna go up or do you think it's gonna go down? I feel like it's gonna go down a little bit more, but it keeps showing it going up. So I was like, it's got me confused right now. It's got me very confused. I don't know. We'll see. Esperaremos un poco más. We will see. That is, we'll wait a little longer in Spanish. Come on now. Just a little bit. We just need a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Un poco más. Come on now. Come on now. Just a little bit more. This is taking so long for the it's usually after we get major drops like that where it's just like sideways and it's just uncertain. You don't know if it's going up or down. Because I did mention inside of the live stream yesterday. I'll go ahead and mention it again since this is a new live stream. So the current trading strategy that you're seeing me use right now is kind of important to understand because with the stock RSI down here, which is a stock plugin for TradingView. If you want to know what I'm using, you can just come over here to technicals, type in STOCHRSI. The stock RSI is right down here. Now, all this, the momentum wave bands, this is all a paid platform that I'm using, which is or paid indicators, which is Chart Prime. I put that link inside the chat. You'll see it there. But the other one down here that I'm using is completely free, and this is one of the main ones. So on the Starch RSI, when you're above this 80-point area here, and you see that these two RSI lines are about to cross and they cross, that means that the price is now going down, which means that you should open a short. But if it's going up like this and you see it like back here, I was starting to go up and you see how they crossed down here at the bottom and then it went above 20, that 20-point level down here. And then you see it starting to go up, and that's when you know you're supposed to open a long. So right now it's about to cross up here at the top. So I'm trying to find out if I should open a short right now. And that's why I'm about to open up a short position, just kind of waiting for it because we're also inside of a green momentum wave band here for the chart prime indicators. And the green momentum wave band pretty much shows when you're at a support level when you're about to become bullish. So if we're about to become bullish, how are we also up here at the top showing that there's about to be a bearish movement? The only explanation is that we're about to pull back just a little bit, but then it's going to go right back up on the RSI. And that's exactly what I'm looking at. And that's why I don't want to do a trade where I go ahead and do a short and then it goes right back up and then I lose money. Like how it's going up now, you've seen it pull back and then it just went right back up. That's what I'm trying to avoid. I'm trying to avoid that mistake because if I make that mistake, then I could lose money and I don't like losing money. So I'm waiting for this perfect opportunity. And look, about to cross on that RSI. So I think I might actually pull the trigger on this one and go ahead and hop in on it. But it's really all a matter of time, to be completely honest. It's at a very, very particular area here. Very, very particular area. I think I'm about to open up a short on it. I just something is telling me to open up this short. So yeah, I gotta pull the trigger on this. I gotta do that. Something's telling me inside of my heart and soul to short it. All right, so we got our short position. We are only able to get a portion of that in here. Waiting for the other portion. 0.105. We were at 5.9 at first, but we weren't able to get in our full position. That's fine that we couldn't get in the full position. Kind of fine. Okay. So yeah, we couldn't get our full position in there. I'm just gonna go ahead and close the partial position. So we were only able to get in like $30 on that trade, on $30 in on that position. So because of that, I don't even want to stay in it because like I'm trading with like pocket change and I wasn't able to fully get in on there. Um just trying to find a good area to close it out on. That'll be a 5 cent profit. And now the price is going up once we like hopped in on a trade. So it's like might as well close out this position. It'll be like a 5 cent profit. Like it's pocket change literally. But I wasn't able to fully open my position, which kind of was aggravating. So yeah, we made 6 cents, which really doesn't matter. I got to make another trade here. I'm trying to make a good trade, so like the best trade possible. And now the price is going up. So yeah, I don't want to. I don't want to get in at a time where it's pumping. It's not what you want to do here, and it's really at a point where it's like it's undecided right now. Like it could go up or down at this point, and you don't want it to go up if you're shorting it, like how I was, and it started to go up, so I profited a little 6 cents. Yeah, and it's starting to go up. Okay, I'm glad I closed it. It's probably gonna go back down, so I'm not too worried about it. So I'm glad I closed that position and made 6 cents. Mm, a little bit higher, maybe. Look at this. It typically doesn't stay on top like that for the RSI. So that means that there's whales in here who do not want it to go down. They're trying to long the position here. but we're probably gonna get a huge order coming in that just makes the price just crash. Yeah, that's funny though. I made 6 cents. Yeah, 6 cents short from 10590 to 10588. Very short trade. Very short term. All right, now it's probably gonna drop. But yeah, you can see they don't want it to drop. These whales do not want it to drop. This is crazy. It does not. It typically doesn't do this. It doesn't want to go down, but it has to. I mean, everything's leading to it going down. That's a. It's this is a tricky situation. Hmm, tricky situation here. All right, I think we might have got a confirmation, a bearish confirmation. Look, man, it's got to go down or something. Yeah, this is a little bit ridiculous. It shows that it's gonna go up if you look at it on the long term. If you go to the 4 hour, the RSI also looks bullish. Hey, it's going up. I mean, it is what it is. If it does, all right, there we are. Shoot. Yeah, I missed it. I missed it. I know I missed it. I would have got a lot, but it's better safe than sorry. It's better safe than sorry. I'm glad I didn't long it, but I'd never had intentions on longing that because I'm like, nah, there's no way. No way I'm opening up a long position on that. If I would have opened up a short position, that trade right there would have been about $100 to $200, and then I would have been able to go make some food. But nope, I'm not leaving and eating until I make that 1,000, and then I'll come back after I make the 1,000 and eat. So yeah, I'm gonna not leave until this $1,000 is made. So we're gonna stay on this live stream until we're at 1,000, no matter what. All right. So looking over here at the 15-minute chart, we're actually at a very important support line. If we continue to go down below this, we would go down to that area. But until then, we are just following it along. And actually, for now, let's go ahead and switch to XRP. This one is moving a little bit too volatile for me at the moment. A buy signal is just now put up in XRP, but it immediately went down. So maybe the other one would be the best. I know I'm flip flopping right now. All right, well, let's go back because we missed that too. BLZ. All right, so now we're about to get a good long position that we can open up. That's the next step here. So that long position must be opened up once we get below that 20 level, that 20-point level, and we have the RSI cross. So that RSI line has to get below the 20 level, and they have the cross, and then it'll probably go up from there. That's all we gotta get right there. All right. Still waiting for it to go down a little bit more. But yeah, it's about to get to a point where we can actually open up a long position. Won't be too much longer. All right, our side is now crossing. Very good, very good. Muito bom. Just a little bit more. Um, all right, that's a good area for us to get in. Let's go ahead on a long position here. We're gonna go ahead and open up a long position. That's good enough. All right. Now let's get prepared to sell this long position. 0.10. We got in at 4. Got in at 10448. Price is going down a little bit more, but it's completely fine because a little bit more than we thought. All right, let's double check to make sure it's not going to go down too much lower. All right, so we got in at 448, but it is now crashing now that we got in. Yeah, this one is moving a little bit too volatile for right now, which is makes it really difficult to trade it. Yeah, very difficult. This right here, though, it's about to have a reversal upwards. We just gotta be patient here. It's just um that's what we need to see. We need to see it go up. Not down. We need to see it go up. Yes, up. That's what I'm talking about. All right, 10460 close. That's exactly what I'm talking about. Let's go. Let's go. All right, let's go. We got $19.27 from that trade. Woo! Hey, shout out to Nick Mills. This is facts. Hoping being patient pays off 100%. Being patient pays off. Like I waited for that trade. I knew it could take a little while, but I waited and it panned out. So that one made us $19.27. Now I'm at $861. And it's really about just bringing in the small amounts in because I started at $701, right? And $701, let's do 861 minus 701. I got my calculator up in the background. It won't show up on here. That's $160. $160 divided by 2 hours. Okay, so we're at $80 an hour. $80 an hour is what we're averaging, and 8 hours, that'll be $640. So this is it's good. It's lucrative as long as you're not risking everything and you're not doing like really, really risky trades and you're really patient. Like And look, I could have stayed in and I could have kept going up with this, but I'm not risking. I'm not being like too risky. Like I could probably hop in right now and make money. I could probably do that, but it's risky. If I were to hop in right now, it would probably continue to go up because especially since the RSI is now crossed down there. But I'm doing what I like to call no risk scalp trading. I'm scalping the markets for tiny trades that are 100% certain because that's what I like to do. I don't like to do trades that I'm not certain on. I'm not certain on this. Like if I were to do a long position now, it more than likely will go up. It more than likely will go up and stop here at this resistance. But the reason why I don't want to do it is because this RSI could just randomly cross downwards and then go back down because we've seen it happen already. And like it just now went down a little bit, but it could probably start going back up too. And it's risky, so I don't want to take unnecessary risk. It's just the best trading method for me. I'm doing little $20 trades here and there. Because if you look at all the trades I've done a lot of trades within the last since yesterday, honestly. $19.27 just now, 6 cents the last trade before that, $18.61 before that, $12.68, $31.20, $23, $6, $9, $6, $1, $11, $19, $26, $15, $4, 33 cents, $16, $28, $20, $54. That was a nice one. $18, $9, $41. That was good. $18, 21 cents, 13 cents, 9 cents, 26 cents, 6 cents, 59 cents, 66 cents, 10 cents, 56 cents, 9 cents, $5.68, $7.30, $25.68 and 69 cents. And then the only losses I have down here is a 5-cent loss. I lost 5 cents. And then I lost $1.78. And then I lost like 5 cents and 8 cents. So I've lost like $4, but I have gained like over 500. So that's how I like to do it. You know, lose $4, make $500. That's nice. I think I've actually made more than 500. Let's do 861 minus 442. That's $419. So yeah, I've made $419. So that's good. That's decent. And then if I keep trading, I can trade for the rest of the day and make bank. But it's like I like to take some time off. Like right now, I have to use the bathroom really bad, but I just won't get up because I'm just hooked and wired on this right now. Waiting for a good opportunity here, though. But actually, you know what? I am going to go to the bathroom, though. I don't want to be too eager to make a trade to the point where I'm not using the bathroom. So hold up. I'm going to go ahead and move away from the screen for a second. So what I'm going to do, we are going to, let's turn on this. This song, I made this song here. It's called To the Moon. All right. I'll be right back. And I'll put on an advertisement. I'll be right back.
Marsellis on the track.
All right, shout out to you all for waiting. I made that beat. Actually, it's called "To the Moon." So, hey, shout out to you all for waiting. I had to go get some water. Had to go use the bathroom. But we'll kind of recap all the trades that we made today and how much money we've made. We haven't lost anything yet, so that's good. Hey, yo, yeah, I already read that. Hope and being patient. Hey, shout out to Jimmy Durham here. It says, "What's up, bro? Nice to see you second time around." Yeah, I'm gonna start doing this every single day, honestly. And actually, we're about to get another trading opportunity here. So, oh, I kind of just now missed it. It's all good. But yeah, we'll just go ahead and recap. It's actually about to start going down here right now. So, a short position is actually I'm supposed to open up a short. This is a very textbook trade right here, actually. So, but I must wait for it to go up just a little bit more, just to be smart about it, because I don't want to rush a trade. But yeah, shout out to you, Jimmy. We went from $701 so far to 861. So yeah, that's what's been going on. Um, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and open up a long here, or I mean a short, not long. Confirm my short. Oh, I did it too late. I don't know. It might not be too late. It might not be. Uh, it might actually be too late. Yeah, it was too late. Uh, yeah. Oh well. Missed the opportunity. Let's just cancel that. I could still get in, but I don't want to chase. Hold up. Hold up. Before I even make that trade, yeah, this is a confusing area because according to this, on the 15-minute chart, it could pump, but according to the 1-minute chart, it could dump. So it might dump temporarily, and then it should stop right here at the 3.5 before 3.5, and then it should pump even harder. So that's gonna be the trade right there. Yeah. So what I want to do here is we're gonna open this. Now look, it looks like it's gonna go up. Correct me if I'm wrong, but it looks like it's gonna go up. Yeah. Okay. I'm happy. I'm happy it didn't allow me to open that. I would have made some money, but I would have had to close out that trade really quick, really quickly. Never mind. I would have made a lot of money. Yep. And it went down to the red support line. So yeah. Oh, hold up. Make up your mind. Come on now. Make up the mind. Um. No, it looks like it's gonna increase from here. I can't chase this trade because that's gonna be bad. Okay. So yeah, it looks like I probably would have made good money here, but all's well ends well. So I don't know. The fact that we're just at the top of this momentum wave band and it's not falling below it and it still wants to go up, that kind of shows the direction that we're going. It's like a bullish. Honestly, it looks bullish. That's what it looks like to me. Hmm. Some slow movements here. All right. This looks like it's going to be the increase here. Yeah, it's breaking out of that. It's breaking out of that pattern. So yeah, we're breaking out. Shout out to everyone that just showed up. We're having a good time here trading, making some money here. Like I said though, Mexi Global, that's what I'm using. Using chart prime indicators. Link is in the chats there too. Patreon, just now open that Patreon. We have a Discord there now, but I gotta put more actual stuff on there. So I just have to wait till I put some stuff on the Patreon. But yeah. Okay. All right, looks like he's going up. Yeah, this is looking like another buying wave coming in. Probably gonna open up the probably gonna open up a short when it rises. Hmm. If it rises. Watch it just have a huge crash and then it just goes all the way down like it did before. Like hits the top of that pattern, boom, straight down. Hits the top of the pattern, rides the pattern a little bit longer. Might go straight down or it might have an increase. Because according to the 15M chart, we are going to have an increase. That's according to the 15M. But according to this, it's about to drop. It's actually in the process of going down too. Yeah. It's a work in process. Okay. Um it's looking like it wants to go down, but it's like trying so hard not to. There it is. That's what I was waiting for. All right. All I got to do is wait for this to go up. I'm waiting for it to go up a little bit higher than the 80 point level here and then crossing around like 90 to 99. And then when it crosses up there, that's when we go for the shorts. But until then, we're waiting. Till then, we are waiting. It's taking time. All right. Look at it. It's like a stair step right now. That is the stair step method in full effect. Straight down. This area here, I'm about to probably buy some more longs. Just gotta wait for it to cross down there, and then I could do some long positions. Just gotta wait though. Okay, now you just now seen that automated indicator right there, chart prime working at its prime right there. It pretty much just now set our resistance for us. So right up there, it just now so it's showing that when we pull back, it could pull back to here possibly at 0.1042. But when we go up, it's then showing where we will go to is all the way up to 0.10565. This is why I like Chart Prime. Like you just now seen that inside of real time on the live stream, what it just now showed us. Now, is it gonna 100% do that? No, but it's a very good indicator to where we're gonna end up going next. That was a very good example of how Chart Prime really works. Very good example here. And yeah, we just gotta wait for it to play out and see what it happens. There's the link for Chart Prime. But let's just see what happens with this. So it's going up here. It should stop here technically, but I'm not gonna buy it yet. I'm not gonna buy it yet because that signal that was just now raised up here, that's a good signal that if it even does go up, it's probably gonna go back down to that level. So I'm not trying to make that trade until we hit that support. And then when we hit that support, then I can go ahead and make that trade. And if we don't hit the support and it just goes up, then I guess I just missed the opportunity. That's all. But I will not lose money here. I refuse. All right, so now it's going back down and going back up. It's probably going to make some crazy movements. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Just got to wait. Okay, so it's going up instead of down to that level first. That's what it seems like so far. All right. Oh my gosh. I really want to hurry up and get to $1,000 right now because I'm hungry. All right, we went down there. But yeah, I really want to get to $1,000 because I'm hungry. And I told myself I won't leave the live stream until we make 1,000. So we're almost there. We're at 800 and where are we at? 861. This could be a good trade. It's just it has to get confirmed before I actually pull the trigger on it. So it has to go down to this support down here, really, at 0.10400, preferably. Yeah, another bearish. Oh, it's actually gonna probably go below that. It might go down to here, 0.10350, or down here, 0.10300. We just gotta wait. Nothing wrong with waiting. All right, just wait a little bit longer here. I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and put some background music here. So just always have some music. Um
Marsellis on the track.
yeah. We're just gonna let that play in the background. Smoothly. All right. So how does the audio sound? I just want to know. How all right. Waiting for this to pan out. This trade. A little bit louder right here. Turn it up to All right. So yeah, that's good. That's good. All right. Just let that go. Shout out to you, Nick Mills, for letting me know that. But look at this. This is about to actually hit that support down there. So excited to see what happens when we finally get down there. Hey, all right. That's almost a confirmation for us. Actually, that is kind of a confirmation. That's pretty bullish. Let's open our longs. Let's cancel. All right, so we only opened we didn't open up the full long position because I actually just now noticed something here. It looks like we might go down a little bit more before we
Marsellis on the track.
have our actual breakthrough there. Like I said, I want to make as much off of this as I can. So let me get rid of this. Yeah, let's just close this position. 7 cents is nothing. But I'm going to go ahead and, 9 cents. 9 cents is a little better. I'm going to do another position actually because, okay, it kind of looks like a bullish confirmation here, kind of. Nah, I'm not going to do it. It actually could keep going up though, I'm not going to lie. It definitely looks like has the potential to go up, but let me look at the 15M. Yeah, that's a hard choice right there. Yeah, it's a little bit hard of a choice. Put on some other stuff.
Marsellis on the track.
Yeah, it looks like it's pulling back, doesn't it? Yeah, okay. I'm glad I just was like, you know what, give me my 9 cents. Because I did say before this started that I wanted to see it hit this area here. And I have to stay true to that. So glad my intuition led me the right way. Yeah, this is okay. A little bit more selling than I thought. How do y'all feel about this Afro beats that I made? This is a beat. It's an Afro beats beat that I made. Very nice. I could go down even further, honestly. I don't know about that. This trade is looking a little bit wonky. Let me look up XRP real quick because I don't know. I'm kind of getting scared with that trade. All right, XRP, we got a confirmed bearish movement. All right, I'm just looking at the other one. I'm like, what is going on in this chart right now? We're gonna switch over to XRP really quick, and we're just gonna. That's a good trade right now that we got going on for XRP. It's a good one to short. It's a good short position to open for me. XRP in general is doing fairly well. Looking at the 15-minute chart, yeah, it's decent. 1 hour chart still primed to go down. 4 hour chart still primed to go down. So I like the trades like this because looking at it, like, yeah, it should be going down. It's going up a little bit, but all it has to do is go down by just the smallest amount for me to make money. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up a short right here. See, XRP is a little bit different. It takes longer to open up positions for XRP. I'm gonna go ahead and cancel this position. I got a little bit of cold feet right there. I think that we can get the price at a better price. What I mean by that, I want to get my short price as high as I can. So I want the price to go up a little bit higher, just like a little more profit, if it can. Because it's at a weird space right now. It could pump or it could dump. So we're gonna wait for that to like level itself out. Then we're gonna pull the trigger on it after we wait for a good little. Oh no. All right, well that's fine. Jimmy Durham says, "Hey Marsellis, what is that name of the coin earlier with the long name with Obama in it?" Yeah, that was a funny sounding coin. Yeah, I'll find that for you in one moment. That it should be in my history, honestly. How about that? So yeah, Harry Potter, Obama, Pac-Man, Inu. Harry Potter, Obama, Pac-Man, Inu. That is ridiculous. Hold up, let me. And the ticker symbol is actually XRP. So anytime I put it in the chat. Anytime XRP comes, Harry Potter, Pac-Man, Inu is gonna. It just sounds so goofy saying that name, but yeah, it's pretty funny. Yeah. I have so many beats that I have made previously when I was doing like the producer thing. This is like one of those melodic type of drill beats. Let's go to the LZ again.
Marsellis on the track.
Okay. Price has been dropping like we wanted it to, but we haven't been paying attention to it. All right. I don't know if I'm gonna do that trade. Yeah. Don't know if I'll even. I don't know if I want to do this trade. Let's go back to XRP. That's why it's good to like stick to one thing. Like I had an opportunity there, but I missed it because I was out on XRP charts. We'll just wait for this to go down.
Marsellis on the track.
All right. Smooth. All right, so I think I want to wait to do a short here for this one. That's what I'm looking for. Let's go back to XRP, just bounce back and forth. See which one has a better trade opportunity. All right, XRP is actually about to do a good one, actually. I can go ahead and open up a long position for XRP. XRP, 127 million in volume. That's what I'm talking about. Ooh, that's nice. Hold up. 15-minute chart on XRP. Could go down a little bit more. We're going to go ahead and let XRP play out here. Just a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Come on. See how the indicator just automatically formed up that support line for us? Chart prime. I'm telling you. Chart prime. Printing out money here. All right. Muito risco. We got this. Just gotta have one more drop, one last drop. Come on now. All right.
Marsellis on the track.
I need a bad bitch with A1 features. If you hit me on a verse, pay for feature. On the block with all this.
It might not go down.
Shop for some brand new sneakers. Just a bell, she's a leech. And I'm full to the meter. I'ma hop up in the beamer. So much money that this shit is my beater. She's so
Just a little bit. Let's check the other one. BLZ.
All this money that I get is full to the meter. Full to the meter. Flip on the block and I feel like the cleaners.
All right. I think this might be a good trade. Nah, let's do XRP. That one's too volatile. All it takes is one more drop. One more drop. Still hasn't done it.
brand new side bitch, yeah. I just put my chopper straight to the realm.
I just need a little bit more of a drop to actually. Okay. We can do BLZ. XRP. It's not really moving the way that we would want it to move. It's like it's not moving very volatile like the other one, like BLZ. This one is like moving like wonky, and like it should have been went all the way down here to 0.5349. So that's the level that I'm really looking for, and it really, I don't know, because I'm just sitting here and I'm waiting for it, but like it's not doing what I want it to do.
Marsellis on the track.
I think I'll put a. Okay, wait. Don't disrespect XRP. It might turn around. Yeah, but yeah, we can't do XRP while this is doing a good trade on this one, actually. I know you see how much is lagging right now. Ridiculousness. All right, we're gonna go ahead and open a short. We're gonna go ahead and confirm our short at 1039. Half and half. I'm canceling that order. I usually cancel an order if it doesn't pan out like almost immediately. If it doesn't fill, then that might mean that it's gonna go the opposite way that I think. So it doesn't look like it. Look, according to the RSI, it doesn't look like it. Oh, but it did. So sometimes you gotta go with the intuition. I'm glad I canceled it. Glad I canceled the order. I'm like, all right, why did it not fill? We must have some bulls trying to screw over the other buyers. That's exactly what happened. A little bit more. Oh, and then it drops. Okay. Man, this is getting frustrating. Like, it's been a while since we've made a trade, like actually made a trade like this. This is very frustrating right now. I'm like, I just want a good trade come in. Just give me a good trade. Let's see what XRP is doing. I mean, XRP is looking decent. Look at that.
Marsellis on the track.
Let's see. Looking for the perfect opportunity. All right, let's switch to XRP for a second. This one's just BLZ is not looking like it's doing too well with the trades. It's very it's like I'm really hesitant with the BLZ. It's moving too volatile. But XRP looks like it's ready to run. Yeah, definitely is. I gotta go with my gut feeling here. It's telling me just to go long on XRP, so I'm doing it. Open the long XRP, confirm. And then it goes down the second I open the long. Oh no. All right, that's a good. So we got a long position open here on XRP. It is going down the second we open the long position. Literally. Yeah, it's going down. Looking at the 15-minute chart though, it hasn't went up in a while, meaning it's about to. Just maybe has to go down to a lower support before it does. So either way, we're going to be in this trade until this one pans out, because this is almost a confirmed profitable trade. Almost. Can't 100% confirm any of them, but it's looking like that. That's how it's looking. 535. I'll let this one go up to 535 something. What do y'all think about the beats that I've been playing? Y'all like the beats? I think the beats are good. These are my beats and my music that I made. I like this one. It's a nice drill beat. Let's just wait a little bit longer now. We got it at 4.8. Could have gotten at 4.5. Could have gotten at 4.5. Now we're at what? 4.1? Come on now. Come on now. XRP. All right. So our liquidation price is 0.5101, which would be all the way down here, which I don't see us reaching there. It just sucks. Now I gotta wait a little bit longer in XRP, longer than I wanted to.
Marsellis on the track.
5101 is all the way down here at the momentum waistband. But we're right here at this bullish area here, which is why I kind of wanted to open that. So we're going to be inside of it for just a little bit longer than I really wanted to. Come on, XRP. You don't want to do this to me. You don't want to do this to me, XRP. Yeah. It decided to do it to me. No, XRP. Whoa, no, XRP. What are you doing? What are you doing, XRP? Nah, man. All right. So this XRP trade is one of the bad trades that I took.
Marsellis on the track.
All right. I guess we just gotta wait for this XRP to pan out. So we got in at 0.0 or 0.5348. It's not 0.5330. But look at the RSI though. Look at how it's crossed at the bottom. It's ready to go up. I just don't know if it'll go up to 5348 like I want it to. But we're gonna we're gonna see this one out. So we're gonna see it through. Gonna have to see it through because I'm not trying to lose money on this. All right, so we're just waiting for this to go up a little bit more, and then we're gonna secure our profits. We just need to see it at least at 4.8, a little bit above 4.8. Come on now. XRP has been down for way too long now. That just means that the next pump for XRP is going to be even bigger. Just considering like how long it's been down here. Hopefully it does increase to a good point. Our next resistance is up here at 0.5341. We got in at 0.5348, so we needed to get above that resistance in order to make that profit. And we are seeing a little bit of an increase here.
Marsellis on the
We
track.
just need to see more than a little, because you already know. We gotta make that money. Shout out to Sergio De Luca, says, hi brother, how are you? What's up, Sergio? Doing well. Just trying to make some money on this trade here. But yeah, we're doing good. The trades have been going all good today till this one. I'm just trying to like have this go up a little bit more. We just really need to get above 4.8. So doing all right though. Doing all good. Need to get here. Yeah, I guess it's doing fine. Just need to see it there. But how about yourself? How's everybody else doing? How are you doing, Sergio? This can get stressful out here. And I'm not, I just wanted to get above this 1 point here. That's all I need is for it to get above that area. But it's been a struggle with this though. Been a real struggle. I'm trying to get it back above that level. A little bit higher. Come on now. That's what we like to see. We like to see increases in price. We just need to see a way larger increase than that. It's just a little weird. Like the RSI, it's been down on the 15-minute chart for the longest time. Like it's very down. Hmm. We'll see. We'll see exactly where it's going to take us. Hmm. Just waiting for it. Shout out to Sergio De Luca out here says, I'm still crying for the lost Baby Doge farms. Do you know if they will put back any Baby Doge core farm? I don't know if they will, but they definitely should. They definitely should. Because, not many people actually wanted to lose those farms. Like, the people who didn't have money in those farms wanted the rewards to be taken out. And they are the majority, so they won the vote. So the people who actually had money in Baby Doge farms were like, nah, don't take it out. But they did. I don't know. Maybe they will get rid of it. Or, I mean, maybe they will bring back some core farms. But yeah, we're going to have to see. Because the liquidity of Baby Doge Swap went so low because of that. It's like, it doesn't make sense for them to do that. But they did it, though. They did it. I keep my 10 trillion, but I was forced to pull out 60K from the farms. Yeah, that's a lot. So I would definitely be aggravated too, because you were probably getting good passive income off that. But I mean, at this point, you're just gonna have to do a different swap. A swap that I've had success with that actually has very low fees as well, but it's on Chronos, is finance, VVS finance. So I was farming on here for a while, and the rewards are pretty decent for this Crow to VVS pair. Crow fees are very, very small. Like Crow has very tiny fees. Like you can do pretty good on Crow on VVS finance because the Crow fees are very small. So, but yeah, hopefully they do some more cores. Because yeah, this is some BS though. Look at this. I've really just been sitting here just waiting for this to turn back around for me, but I don't know. This is a very weird level for us. Like I'm waiting for it to reverse.
Marsellis on the track.
Yeah, Sergio said it's around 2K every month I was getting. Wow. Yeah, they just now cut off your passive income right there. But the thing with VVS Finance is like over here, like I would honestly put it in here. It's been at a very high amount of stake liquidity for this particular one, 58.2 million, which is very good. So you would be fine there. And if you had 60K in this, you would be making 1,000 a month. So you wouldn't be making as much as Baby Doge, but you'd still be getting 1,000 a month or 13.6K a year. But yeah, it definitely sucks that they took it out because nobody wanted that. Only the people with small money wanted it. And we already know they're the masses that controlled the decision. Okay, so this particular trade is looking a little bit sketchy. So liquidation price is at 0.5101, right? The way it's going right now, it's looking like I might have to sell out on a loss on this. 0.5101 is all the way down here, though. So yeah, that's where I'm at with this right now. Very tricky situation here, because now it's technically going to go down to 0.5311, but then I would need it to go back up so I can make profit there. So yeah, that's where I'm at with it. Been going for so long. Oh man, I just don't want it to lose. What is this? Increase in price? All right, looks like we're going up a little bit more.
Marsellis on the track.
All we need is that reversal here. Come on, that's all I want to see is a nice bullish reversal. Please, we just need a nice reverse. We gotta get above this area here. Woo! All right, so 535. Come on, keep going, baby, keep going, keep going, keep going. XRP, no, don't drop. Oh no, oh no. We were close. It's got to keep going though. Come on now. A little bit more. Like, we just need a little bit more. Come on now. Please. More. Let's go. $43 more. Come on. Come on, people, just a little bit. We're almost there. Almost there. Come on. Come on now. We're really almost there. Y'all just gotta go a little bit farther. Come on now. A little bit. Let me look over here at the 15M. Look, yep, it's crossing. The RSI is crossing over. So it's inevitable at this point. It's going, we're back on the bullish trajectory. We hit this green wave line right here. So we're really inching our way up there. We just need to get above 4.8. Oh, we got the buy signal. We got it. We got it. We got it. We got the buy signal. 535. Yeah, let's close the line at 535. Confirm. Come on now. We literally just crossed the RSI. Come on now, we can do it. We can do it. We got a buy signal in. Yo. What? Come on, we just literally gotta cross that one area. Come on, we just got the buy signal now. Oh my gosh, man. We literally just got a buy signal. Oh god. That was so close. So close.
Marsellis on the track. Marsellis on the track.
It's gonna cross upwards again. Yeah, it's gonna cross up. It's just, I just wanted to hurry up so I can like keep making some more money and so I can go eat. Like I told myself I didn't want to stop until I was at $1,000 so I can go eat some food. So I'm trying to stay true to what I said there, but I'm like, can you just like go up so I can get food and eat and be happy? Please. I just want to see it go up. All right, 4.6, 4.7. We got ours set at 5.0. So I could potentially close it out at 4.8 and then just break even. That was the goal, or the goal was really 5 at 3.45. Because at 5 I would at 5 I would get like small profit there. Hold up. What's the 15-minute chart showing now? Come on. Come on. 4.9. Come on, 5. Yep, 5. There we go. There we go. 5.1. Okay. All right. We've closed that position. Finally. Made $4.70. Ridiculousness. I just didn't want to close out because it was showing that we were down by $120 at first. And I was like, no. It doesn't work. It's not going to work like that. Let me get out of XRP, man. Like, XRP is not moving fast. It's moving very slow, which is very disappointing. I should have just stayed with BLZ. I would have made more money than a measly $4.70. But hey, better to make money than lose it. So, not complaining. All right. So now we're back here. All right. BLZ is about to drop. So you know what that means. So we're gonna latest.
Marsellis on the track. Marsellis on the track.
All right. I'm waiting for this to like go up here, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it. Get to $1,000 by the time I get some food. I'm hungry right now. I'm like, come on. I ate one thing yesterday. All right. I don't know. Still a possibility. Still possible. Still possible. It looks like it's about to drop, but I'm not 100% sure. Like, it looks like it's gonna drop, but I don't know. It might go up. Okay, so it looks like volatility actually is dropping, so I think that's why it's the trades are becoming less prevalent as we move on. What I could do though is find a different pair. See, but all these other ones, very low inside of volume. I'm trying to stay with high volume just so then it makes it a lot easier to trade when you have high volume.
Marsellis on the track.
All right. BLZ Blue Zell. Let's go back to XRP. Whoa. All right, let's go back to XRP real quick. XRP futures. Hold up. Short might be smart here for XRP. No. I'm not gonna mess up again. It could pump out of nowhere. Yeah, no, XRP is being unpredictable right now. I'm not doing XRP again. I'm doing BLZ. Even though this one's kind of unpredictable too. It's just... I think I might need to take a break from this trading right now. Because I'm not really getting my... I'm not really getting the good trades in.
Marsellis on the track.
All right. Oh, wow. Okay. Then it goes up. That's an interesting looking chart right there. It's moving very unpredictable.
Marsellis on the track.
All right, so these trades are going slower. We have smaller volatility. So right now, though, what we have done, we have went from $701 to $866. So essentially, we have made $165 today so far. I'm probably going to do another live stream later on, and then we can do some more trading. But this isn't going the way I wanted it to. I wanted it to get all the way up to 1,000 by the end of the live stream. But unfortunately, it's moving really weird. I probably can do a short position soon, but yeah, I'm definitely going to go make me some food now. So I think this is going to be the end of this live stream. But yeah, shout out to all of you that stuck around to this point. It's just the trades aren't 100% confirmed right now. As you can see, they're staying between the blue shaded areas, which is very bad. Like when it's like that, it's very hard for me to make profit. Like I have to have it confirmed, like either below the bottom 20 points on the R side or above the top 80 points on the R side to actually have a confirmed trade. And that's how I've been able to do all of these positive trades here. I haven't lost on any of them. Even the ones that went south, I stuck them out until they turned around. But the problem is this: it took too long. So it's like I can't make $4 an hour. I can't make that much. It took too long for that $4.70 for that previous trade. But all the other trades were very, very good. So very, very good trades going on. But right now, I will go ahead and close out the stream. So shout out to everyone that showed up here. And like I said, we're gonna be having lots going on for the next live stream too. We're gonna do another live stream. So shout out to all of you that showed up, and I'll see you in the next live stream, which will probably be later on today. So see you all there.